Plant FAQs. Lomandra Arctic Frost. What is Lomandra Arctic Frost? Lomandra Arctic Frost, formerly known as Lomandra longifolia Arctic Frost, is a versatile, hardy plant native to Australia. This evergreen perennial is celebrated for its attractive, silver-green foliage and its ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. It's a popular choice for both residential and commercial landscapes due to its adaptability and low maintenance needs. 64 species in genus Lomandra. Caring for Lomandra Arctic Frost is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent option for those looking to add a touch of greenery without a lot of fuss. Sunlight. Lomandra Arctic Frost prefers full sun to partial shade. It can handle direct sunlight, but in extremely hot climates, some afternoon shade can help prevent leaf burn. Watering. This plant is drought-tolerant once established, but benefits from regular watering, especially during prolonged dry periods. Be sure not to overwater, as it prefers well-drained soil. Soil. It thrives in a variety of soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clay soils, as long as the drainage is good. It can tolerate soil pH levels ranging from acidic to alkaline. Fertilizing. Feed Lomandra Arctic Frost with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer once or twice a year to promote healthy growth. Avoid excessive fertilization, which can lead to excessive foliage at the expense of flower production. Pruning. Light pruning can help maintain the plant's shape and remove any dead or damaged foliage. Pruning is usually done in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. How to propagate Lomandra Arctic Frost. Propagating Lomandra Arctic Frost is quite simple and can be done through various methods. Division. The most common method is division. In early spring or late summer, you can divide the clumps by carefully separating the root ball into smaller sections. Each section should have a good amount of roots and foliage. Replant these sections at the same depth as they were originally planted. Seed. While less common, you can propagate Lomandra Arctic Frost from seeds. Sow the seeds in a seed tray with well-drained soil, cover lightly, and keep them moist. Germination may take a few weeks. Transplant the seedlings once they are large enough to handle. Lomandra Arctic Frost versus Platinum Beauty. If you're deciding between Lomandra Arctic Frost and Lomandra Platinum Beauty, here's a breakdown of their differences. Appearance. Both varieties offer attractive, fine-textured foliage, but Lomandra Arctic Frost has a striking silver-green hue that stands out in any garden. In contrast, Lomandra Platinum Beauty features a more uniform blue-green foliage color. Size. Lomandra Arctic Frost typically grows to a height of about 18 to 24 inches and spreads about 24 to 36 inches. Lomandra Platinum Beauty tends to be slightly smaller, with a height of around 12 to 18 inches and a spread of 18 to 24 inches. Climate tolerance. Both varieties are hardy and tolerant of various conditions, but Arctic Frost is known for its superior cold tolerance, making it a better choice for cooler climates. What to plant with Lomandra Arctic Frost? Lomandra Arctic Frost pairs well with a range of plants, creating beautiful and functional landscapes. Consider combining it with ornamental grasses. Plants like fountain grass or blue fescue complement the fine texture of Lomandra Arctic Frost and add variety to your garden. Succulents. For a desert-inspired garden, pair Lomandra Arctic Frost with succulents such as aloe vera or agave. Flowering plants. Add bursts of color by planting Lomandra Arctic Frost alongside flowering perennials like echinacea or rudbeckia. Ground covers. Use ground covers like creeping thyme or liriope to create a lush, full look around Lomandra Arctic Frost. Additional care tips. Mulching. Apply mulch around the base of Lomandra Arctic Frost to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Just be sure to keep the mulch away from the plant's crown to prevent rot. Pests and diseases. Lomandra Arctic Frost is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for common issues like aphids or fungal infections. Regular inspection and good garden hygiene can help prevent these problems. In summary, Lomandra Arctic Frost is a hardy, attractive plant that fits well into many landscape designs. Its ease of care, adaptability, and unique foliage make it a standout choice for a variety of garden settings. Whether you're comparing it to other varieties like Platinum Beauty or looking for suitable companion plants, Arctic Frost is a reliable and visually appealing option.